Hi, I'm Taylor Connor, and today we're going to demonstrate how to do a complete urinalysis. This is my dog Lagan's urine. She has had a UTI in the past month or so, so I'm kind of rechecking her urine to make sure, we don't have any excess bacteria or crystals or anything like that. So I think we've got enough here for 10 mLs. I'm going to get a clean tube. That way there's no contamination from anybody else. Just pipette some of that. So as far as observing like our color, comparing it to this white sheet of paper that I'll record her results on, it does have some yellow color. I wouldn't say it's very dark yellow, but it's not super dilute either. So as far as recording the color goes, we'll just put that it is a light yellow. I'll make sure to put 10 mLs. I don't really smell a lot of ammonia coming from this, like some stronger, more concentrated urine samples. It doesn't smell sweet or anything like that. A little bit more goes to 10 mLs. Actually, I'll go ahead and do the foam test first. So I'll just put a little bit of it in here, and to do that, we're going to shake it up and see if there is any presence of foam from our sample. And if we have any foam, then that'll be indicative of excess protein or glucose in the urine. You can see there's not really any foam in there that's staying. Looking at our urine in here, it's pretty clear. There might be a little bit of sediment. Once we centrifuge it, we'll see if we have a button. But as far as the opacity goes, it's pretty good. Get my chem strip. These are the strips that we use here. I'll record her results right here, and those will be attached. And that goes over everything that we see. Drop just a little bit on each strip here so we can get our results. So holding this up here, you can see we're looking for leukocytes first, and there's no leukocytes. There's no evidence of any color or indication of that. Nitrites is also negative. pH is about 5. That matches perfectly. As far as any protein, there is negative for that, which is also, doing the foam test. We didn't have any foam, so that is consistent with that as well. Glucose is normal. We're not having any ketones voided through the urine, so that's good as well. Urobilinogen is normal.
What did we decide to do with that rabbit?
Bilirubin is negative. And it's also negative for blood, which is good because we would probably see some trace amounts of blood and things like that if she did still have a UTI. And I'll just note the color here is light yellow. Right. Go ahead and do our specific gravity here on our fractometer. And for this, you just need a drop. We'll just pipette a drop on there, just like that. Close that and look it up in the light.
Okay, what you got here?
So our specific gravity for our urine is about 1010. So that's a lower specific gravity, but it's still within normal limits. It just means that our sample is a little bit more dilute than concentrated. Which is also reflected with the color as well. Next thing I'll do is go ahead and get this set up in the centrifuge. I'll put a little more water in here so that I have something to balance that with. And that's going to spin for 5 minutes, and then we'll come back and check for a button and any evidence of sediment.